Hey guys, back with Sonance here, back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a drop in the style of Afterlife, including these elements. So we're gonna open up the new Melodic Techno pack called Limbo. It's linked down below as well if you want to check it out. So we're gonna select a kick drum from it. We'll be using this one. So we're gonna start off with a bass line. So the kick sounds like this. So what we're gonna do is, instead of making a rolling bass, we're gonna make a tom bass. So I selected a few tom samples sampled from the classic Roland drum computer. So we got this low tom and this high tom. First we're gonna work with the low tom. We're gonna work on A minor. So let's start off on the root note. So this will be the low tom. It's a bit stiff right now, so we're gonna add a high tom to it as well. Just like this. So altogether the low end in the track sounds like this. Now we're gonna layer it with some bass steps. So I loaded up a new serum. So let's pick a preset from the new pack. It got 100 presets in it, so we'll be using this one. It's just a restep. I think it will fill up the bass spectrum some more, so just drop in a long note at the root and mix it a bit. Of course, we're gonna get rid of the low end and a bit of delay, reverb, and of course the sidechain as well. So together with the tom bass, it sounds like this. Which is dope, but we're gonna add some more to it. So we're gonna add another preset to it. We're gonna pick a step sound from it. So we'll be using this dong step with the same mixing as the Reese bass. Just like this. And then we're gonna fit it up some more. So I got another preset with the same mixing. We'll be using a wobble sound for the pack. Sounding like this. Again, just to fit it up some more, because it's quite minimal. So just drop in a steady bar. Sounding like this. Now we're gonna fill it up even more with the ambient sound. So pick another preset from it. We'll be using this one. It's just a pad sound with an LFO to it. So drop in a MIDI. Just one long steady note to add some more sounds to the background. And we're also gonna fill it up with another ambience. Drop in this one, and just an impact at the start of the drop. Altogether, it sounds like this. So we got the bass and ambience ready, so now we're gonna work on the lead sound. As you can hear, we got the same mixing as the other sounds with a reverb and delay. So just pick a preset from the pack. We'll be using this saw preset. So let's create a MIDI. Again, starting on the root note. Then go up to the F. Just like this. But what's common in melodic techno is to switch between octaves to give more of a vibe to it. So just like this. And then we're just gonna descend the scale. And make a little variation at the end. Going down to the G and the C. And then just duplicate it. So that's our arp melody. So now we're gonna automate the mod wheel. Just like this. Let it open up during a drop to create some movement in the drop. Just like this. And then we're gonna transcend to the second part of the drop. So we're gonna make it more melodic in the second part. So first copy over the bass, make it unique. And we're gonna create a chord progression with it. So starting on the root note. Go down. Just a really simple one, just like this. But it really does the job. So then do the same for the tom bass. Just like this. Just duplicate the other elements. So then we're gonna add some more chords to it. So open up a new preset. We'll be using this chord sound, so just follow the MIDI. Just follow the MIDI of the progression. Like this. And then turn them into chords. We're gonna spread out the first note. Bump it up an octave. To open up the chord sound a bit more. And then just finish off the chords. Just like this. So together it sounds like this. And then just add a sidechain to it. And open up the mod wheel as well. Just like this. So then I only want to add a drum loop to it. So go to the head loops. And drop in this one. Sounding like this. So then I only want to add a build up to it. So just copy over the melodic elements. Including the automations. Just like this. And then just drop in a snare build from the pack. And I dropped in these downlifters as well. So that's it for the minimal melodic techno drop. I think it turned out really dope with the tom bass, the other elements, the ARP sounds. So let me know what you think about it in comments as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos.